Have you ever wondered what gigs on Fiverr are practically always getting orders? The ones clients search for over and over again, no matter the season? Stick around, because today I'm revealing some of the top-selling gig ideas in 2025. Ideas that are in high demand globally, and great even if you're just starting out. First up, social media content creation. With businesses, influencers, and small brands constantly needing posts, reels, thumbnails, social media banners, and cover images, there's huge demand for social media graphics and short-form content. If you can design, edit, or even combine visuals and text to create engaging posts, this gig idea remains evergreen. Next, video editing and short-form video production. Video content is dominating online platforms now more than ever. Services like editing YouTube videos, turning long videos into short clips or reels, adding subtitles or basic effects. These are heavily requested. Even simple editing skills can land orders. And as you refine your skills, you can offer more advanced packages and increase your rates. Third, voiceovers and audio-related work. Many creators, businesses, and marketers require voiceovers for explainer videos, ads, audiobooks, tutorials, or narration. If you have a decent microphone and speak clearly, offering voiceover gigs can be profitable. This works especially well when demand spikes for podcasts, video content, or animation. Fourth, writing and copywriting services. From blog posts and articles to product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, and SEO content, writing is always in demand. People everywhere need content written fast and well, and if you can deliver clean, engaging writing on time, there's a big audience for your gigs. Fifth, digital products and downloads. Think templates, printables, planners, social media kits, ebook covers, presentation templates. Digital products can sell repeatedly with little extra work. Create once, upload once, and let buyers download again and again. It's a great way to earn passive-ish income while still doing freelance work on the side. Sixth, website fixes, design tweaks, and basic web maintenance. Many small businesses or individuals need help setting up blogs, websites, landing pages, or doing minor updates. If you're comfortable with website builders, CMS, or simple front-end work, offering web maintenance or updates can attract consistent buyers. Finally, virtual assistant and admin support gigs combined with modern needs. Clients often need help with data entry, scheduling, content uploading, research, or customer messages. These often overlooked tasks are always needed, and many clients prefer outsourcing them. If you're organized and reliable, VA-style gigs on Fiverr can bring in consistent orders. The key to success with any of these high-demand gigs? Quality and consistency. You need clear gig titles, good visuals or audio samples, detailed descriptions that explain what the buyer gets, fair pricing, especially when starting, and fast professional communication. Grab those first positive reviews, and you'll build credibility fast. If this video gave you good ideas and you're ready to start earning, hit that like button, subscribe for more freelancing insights and gig strategies, and share this with fellow creators. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.